Hi guys, so a question I've been getting a lot is how often should I post on YouTube? You know, if you're starting out and you're not quite sure how to build your subscription base and, you know, get people interested, the best thing to do is to post at least once or twice a day, and this will just make your content relevant. And you know, when people see a new video, of course they're going to click on it. They think it's like the latest thing. So another tip would be is keep your channel theme consistent. You want people to click on one video and then you suggest another video in maybe a card, or at the end of the video you can have a little pop-up and boom, there's content that relates to them. So what I'm going to do is create a playlist that teaches you how to succeed on YouTube, and this doesn't run within my theme, but it's definitely going to help my users and potentially bring on other people that aren't specifically searching for PC related guides but need help on YouTube. So there we go. So the YouTube algorithm, it rewards you for posting. It gives you views. The main reason for this is it'll suggest your video to users that it's relevant to, and it'll give you impressions, right? So new videos will give you quite a few impressions, cool, but also having a large amount of videos on your channel will help you tremendously in building your traffic flow and gaining momentum on your channel. At the end of the day, all you can do is your best, you know. Start out, give it a try, pick a topic, post once, twice a day, cool, keep at it, keep being consistent. Consistency is key with anything. I hope this helps you on your YouTube journey, and good luck. Yeah, give it horns.